All right, guys, this is my review of the Samshow store fermentation kit with for 4 glasses. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. First of all, with this product, you are going to need mason jars. Any wide mouth mason jar will work as long as it's got the wide mouth. There's the different sizes, but as long as it's got the wide mouth and it's an actual mason jar, this is going to work for that. So what you have is you have 4 glass weights, and this fits in your mason jar, and that's what's going to push those vegetables down. So obviously, fermentation kit is for fermenting like in pickling vegetables or making sauerkraut, or just being able to, ferment vegetables to store them for a long time because, hey guys, there's a lot of uncertainty in the world. Cool thing is Samshow currently has Amazon's choice for this. So they already have a lot of good reviews. I can tell you this seems really easy to use as someone who's never even fermented vegetables before. So what you have is you have 4 of these glass weights, all right? That's why you have to have the wide mouth mason jar, okay? That's what's going to push the food down once we have everything in it. So you've got 4 glass weights, and you can see these are the other 4 here, the other 3. You've also got 4 lids, sealable lids with silicone edges. So that's what's going to make sure it seals in, all right? And then they have this hole at the top. Here's the rest of the lids. So you got 4 of those lids total. And then you also have 4 airlocks. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, all right? So basically, you put your vegetables in there, right? You put that weight on top. Then what you're going to do is just close it off. And then you're going to put that airlock on top. And what that's going to do is the weight is going to gradually push the vegetables down and suck the air out. So that's what's going to ferment it. You have 4 of these, so you can do this up to 4 mason jars at a time. This seems like a really cool product, and it makes a lot of sense that it's growing in popularity right now because of the uncertainty in the world. This is worth having because while you can buy storable foods, you can also make your own.